guys, it's Tayyaba. Welcome back to another video. As Friendship Day is coming near, here's a Friendship Day craft video for you guys. Our first craft is photo cards. So I have cutted these two squares from transparent sheet. Now I'm drawing this cute cat. You can also take a printout of your friend's photo, or you can draw a simple drawing like these. You can basically make a cute little collection of these, and trust me, it is super easy to make. And after your drawing is ready, it is time to simply cut it. Then I have covered both sides of drawing with transparent sheet, and I have sealed the transparent sheet by ironing the sides. You can also use a straightener to do it. Our next craft is box of inserts. You can also make a box of friendship and fill it in with bunch of compliments. So for making this craft, I have taken this matchbox and I am gonna cover it with yellow computer sheet. I am also gonna cover the size of the matchbox. So for that, I have taken this small piece of paper and I am gluing it. With this black pointer. You can decorate it in your way, but I just want it to keep simple. Now it is time for the most fun part, to write the inserts. So for that, I have taken this A4 sheet and I'm not gonna cut it in small 8 squares. After I'm done cutting, I'll fit it in with inserts. And now I'm just gonna put them in the box, and our second graph is ready. And all these graphs are last minute graphs, so these are really simple and you can make these easily. The third graph is rainbow card. So I folded an A4 sheet. Now I am drawing a cloud. Then I will simply cut it and also erase the rough outlines. Then it is time to decorate it. So I am just making a rough sketch. Then I am using a permanent marker for the outline. And make sure the card is open during outlining, so the ink doesn't bleed through the page. Then I wanted to make blush, and I could have used color pencils or pastels, but I decided to use acrylic, which is literally the worst option for this craft. And after using acrylic for the blush, I clearly regretted it. I also tried to fix it by permanent marker. I wanted it to look cute, but it looks kind of scary. I also tried correction pen to fix it, but it is just unfixable, so I tear the page apart. Now I took another piece of paper, repeat the process again of folding, cutting, etc. And now it is time to decorate it. So I'm using this glue oil pastel. I will apply it at sides or corner with high pressure. I'm gonna make harsh lines with it. Then I'm gonna apply the oil pastel further, but with a lighter pressure. Then basically I will blend it with a white oil pastel. I will do it on both back and front side, and it will create this really cool effect. As you don't have oil pastel, you can use crayons, color pencils or sketch pens, basically anything that is available. Then I will make the love sketch, and this time I'm using pink oil pastels instead of acrylic paint. A very good decision indeed, but here again I also messed up by applying the brush at the center. But here's an art tip: if you messed up with oil pastels or crayon, you can just scrape off the wax with a sharp object. I use scissors to scrape it off, but you can also use like palette knife, a compass or any sharp object in general. Now coming back to the craft, I am using a permanent black marker for the outline. I have made this pattern at the sides as the corners. Unfortunately, I don't know what it is called. By the way, if you are enjoying the process till now, don't forget to click on the subscribe button and let me know in the comments which video idea would you like to see next, and what are you planning to give your friend on this friendship day. Then I'm done decorating it, and it actually looks really cute, definitely better than my first attempt. Now it is time to make the rainbow, and I'm using like pastel color and not rainbow colors exactly. For making pastel colors, you just have to add white to the original color, like red plus white gets you this pastel pink and green plus white gets you pastel green, and the quantity of white paint would be more than the original color. Then I will take a white computer sheet and paint it like this. Now it is time to fold it, and the process is exactly how you make a paper fan. Fold it on one side, then flip the paper and fold it on the other side, and just keep repeating the process. Then intersect it, paste the two sides. I am using UHG to paste it. You can use any glue that is available. I'm pasting the rainbow on the cloud that we made earlier. Then you just have to write your message. I am writing, "You feel color in my life." You can also write, "You are rainbow to me," or "You are bright as a rainbow," or just wish them happy friendship day. You can write anything. And the rainbow card is ready. What do you guys think about the final result? Which was your favorite craft in the video? Photo cards, box of insert or rainbow card? I hope you guys enjoy this video. Bye.